To inspect and adjust the drive belt deflection on your 850 Titan Adventure Ultimate, follow these steps. Before performing this procedure, always make sure both clutches are at rest in their full neutral position. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface and remove the key. Next, remove the left side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Now, remove the spare belt holder by releasing the latch and pull away from the retention tab. Then, put a straight edge on the belt. Continue by applying downward pressure on the belt between the clutches to measure the deflection. Compare the measurement to specification. If there is a significant clunk noise when shifting, then the belt is too tight. If it is difficult to shift, the belt is too loose. If adjustment is needed, use a 7/16 inch wrench and a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to simultaneously loosen the jam nut and the set screw. Make sure to simultaneously loosen the jam nut and the set screw. Then, while holding the jam nut, use the Allen wrench to turn the set screw until the belt deflection is set to specification. To increase deflection, turn the set screw inward or clockwise, which will loosen the belt by increasing the distance between the clutch sheaves. To decrease the deflection, turn the set screw outward or counterclockwise, which will tighten the belt by decreasing the distance between the clutch sheaves. While holding the set screw with the Allen wrench, lightly tighten the jam nut. Next, retrieve the L-wrench from the left-hand fender. Put the L-wrench into the open threaded hole in the outer sheave of the driven clutch, and then turn the L-wrench 2 or 3 rotations. Tighten the jam nut to specification. Now remove the L-wrench from the driven clutch while simultaneously rotating the drive belt clockwise. Then install the L-wrench in the left-hand fender to secure the fender to the console. Before continuing, remove the straight edge. Next, reinstall the spare belt holder. Finally, reinstall the side panel and turn the 3/4 turn latches to secure the side panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.